Hello, hello. I'm D.Serves and I'm here to serve you. Appreciate you guys for coming back once again, man. It's always appreciated on my end. If you guys are new here and have not subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now, all right? You're not going to want to miss out on what I got coming up in the future, all right? Today I'm going to be going into a $14 experiment. I spent $14 at Walmart, and as of right now, I'm at $37.72 and counting. Not a lot of money, but at the same time, I made my money back, all right? So I'm gonna get right into this video for you guys right now. I was able to catch these things here. Activated charcoal vegan toothpaste. As you can see, $1.99 a piece. We got Rockin' Magic. I'm guessing it's like a lip balm or something like that. Caught it for $1. Baby Swimmers fishing bait, $1.48. Then I caught this gel cleanser for $1. Came out to about $14, we'll say. Sell one toothpaste, I pretty much would be almost at 80% of making my money back, but we'll see, man. Just a small play for you guys, show you that, you know, what you could turn $14 into possibly. So we'll see what the results look like shortly, all right? As you can see, you know, very light day, just pretty much in and out. It was one of those days where literally wasn't planning on going, but I was in the area, and I said, let me just go in there and let me see. Maybe they put something in there in the last few hours that I didn't catch last time or whatever, okay? So first up, we got the activated charcoal toothpaste. Sold that first one for $10.02, okay? The next one, the next two actually, sold one apiece to these two buyers, of course. Activated charcoal once again, and one of them I sold for $9.73. The next one I sold for $9.53, all right? Differential, I guess, or difference in taxes, okay? And the last one out of this pickup will be the Ozark Trail 2 1/4 inch white baby swimmer, all right? Fishing bait, basically, okay? Like I said, that was pretty much a short trip. That'll do it on that pickup. Like I said, I'm pretty much at $37 and counting. As you see, I only have maybe 3 or 4 items left. Like I said, so that'll push me over maybe about $50 from $14, okay? I did make my money back besides giving out the free shipping. My whole point of this short video is that, like I said, even the short trips, you can make some type of money. I love to say and counting because it's and counting. I still have product left, and eventually they will sell, all right? Not going to say it's going to sell today, not going to say it's going to sell tomorrow, but it will sell, all right? So, appreciate you guys for watching, man. If you guys have not subscribed, all right, make sure you do that right now. And until next time, peace.